In today's video, I'm going to show you how to directly upload videos from Filmora to YouTube. Launch Filmora and open your project if you don't have one yet. Simply create a new project and drag the video file into timeline. Make any necessary edits to your video, such as trimming, adding effects, or adjusting colors. You can enhance video by adding titles, transition, or other effects. Once you are satisfied with your edits, it's time to export video. Make sure you log in into your Filmora account by clicking on the login button and sign in with your Gmail account. Click on Export button and select YouTube option. Filmora will prompt you to log in to your YouTube account if you haven't already. After logging in, you can customize your upload settings. Enter title, description, category, text, and choose the privacy settings for your video. You can also adjust video size and quality settings according to your preference. Once you configure all settings, click on Export button. Filmora will start exporting video directly to your YouTube channel.